Christmas, the perfect time for our living space to glow. If you love all things home decor, and this much is true, Design with Emma is the right place for you. So go ahead and subscribe. I am Emma, and there is one more thing to say to you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and myself, Design with Emma. Our co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Being Male B, Decorating with Jesse Green, Dreaming with Caroline, and so come along with me as I show you how I've styled my office my way for Christmas. I'm gonna let you take a look at everything, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done. I've come in and I've added the gold pillars. In the middle, I put the white pillar to match the white rug. I also tied a ribbon around the pillar. And the gold pillow covers were from Amazon. The white pillow cover was also from Amazon. Over in my window, I placed my little tree, and I've decorated it in black and white, which was my colors for this year. I placed it here on my coffee table with a couple of gifts. On the wall, I've taken my map and I wrapped it in wrapping paper and made it look as if it was a gift. So this is very easy. If you got any picture you have, you can take and wrap them in the wrapping paper. And on the top, I just put the little poinsettia, and I've added 4 little ornaments to it. Over here on the side, on my mirror, I've added the wreath. I placed the bow around it, and I just hung it on the mirror. So this is my office set up for Christmas. I just made some very small changes just to give it that Christmas feel. They were very quick, very easy, and very simple. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of Style It My Way. I will be leaving her information in my description box, and all of the creators who are participating in Style It My Way. I want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family because we would love to have you. I'm also gonna show you a few outdoor tips which are quick and easy for your decorating of your home outside. Quick and easy decor ideas. Hold on for the night view, and also hold on for those tips that I'm going to give you for decorating outside your home.
to you.